Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sunshine. IT Solution introduces the Smart Inventory Management Software, a next-generation cloud-based solution designed to simplify and automate your entire inventory lifecycle, from procurement to sales in real time. Our software helps businesses save time, cut costs, and eliminate errors, giving you complete control and visibility over your inventory. Anytime, anywhere. Our core features. 1. Real-time inventory tracking. Monitor your inventory levels, stock movement, and product availability in real time. 2. Barcode and QR code integration, scan and update inventory instantly. 3. Automated stock alerts. Get notified before stock runs out or items reach expiry. 4. Smart purchase and sales management. Seamlessly manage supplier purchases and customer sales. 5. Advanced analytics and reporting. Turn your inventory data into actionable insights. 6. Multi-location and multi-user access. Manage multiple branches, warehouses, or outlets from one dashboard. 7. Integration capabilities. Easily integrate with your existing business tools. 8. Cloud-based and secure. Your data is stored securely on the cloud. Sunshine IT Solution. Additional features. 1. Inventory categorization and batch management. 2. Mobile app access, iOS and Android. 3. Supplier and customer management. 4. User access control and audit trails. 5. Offline sync support. Optional. 6. Return and warranty tracking. Benefits of using Smart Inventory Management Software. 1. Save time and resources, automate repetitive tasks, and reduce manual effort. 2. Increase accuracy. Eliminate human errors in stock counts and reporting. 3. Optimize stock levels. Maintain ideal inventory levels and reduce wastage. 4. Improve decision-making. Get real-time insights into product performance and trends. 5. Enhance customer satisfaction. Deliver faster, error-free service. 6. Grow profit margins. Control costs and maximize inventory turnover. How inventory management software works. 1. Purchase entry. Record items received from suppliers. 2. Stock update. Automatically updates your inventory levels. 3. Sales and dispatch. Track sales, deliveries, and returns in real time. 4. Auto alerts. Get notifications for low stock, reorder points, or expiry. 5. Reports and insights. Generate daily, weekly, or monthly reports. 6. Decision support. Use analytics for demand forecasting and business planning. Why choose Sunshine IT Solution? 1. Trusted IT partner. Over years of experience in software development, trusted by SMEs and enterprises alike. 2. Customizable solutions, tailored to your specific business needs, scalable for any industry or size. 3. User-friendly interface. Simple, intuitive, and easy to learn. No tech expertise required. 4. Dedicated support team. 24/7 customer assistance, training, and software maintenance. 5. Proven results. Our clients have reported up to 50% improvement in efficiency and cost savings. 6. Affordable pricing, flexible plans, from startups to enterprises, without compromising quality. 7. Regular updates and enhancements, continuous improvements and feature upgrades based on user feedback. The Smart Inventory Management Software by Sunshine IT Solution is more than just an inventory tool. It's a complete digital ecosystem that empowers your business to stay organized, data-driven, and future-ready. Manage smarter, sell faster, grow bigger. With Sunshine IT Solution, the power of intelligent inventory is in your hands. Sunshine IT Solution, contact us. Phone +91 72 300 68888. Email info@sunshineitsolution.com. Website www.sunshineitsolution.com.